Hello and welcome. I'm making this video to address a very common student question that I have, which is why doesn't my attempt to get input from the user work? And very commonly what students will do is they will assign a new variable of type scanner, they will instantiate it, and that's all been done correctly. And then they go and try and do something like a next line. Next line is designed to get a string type from the user, which can be numbers or letters, but it will assign it a type string and then assign that to a string type variable. Name, as we can see, is of type string. And if you try to do a input reader dot next line and assign that to hourly wage, it won't work because hourly wage is a float type. And the next line means whatever I'm getting from the screen, assign that as a string type. So if you have a variable that is a float type and you want to get input from the user and assign that to that variable, you need to say next float. And the same thing if you're trying to get a type that is of integer. So you would say next int. Very, very common. Students will say, I've been using this next line command, it's been working beautifully. Now I'm trying to get an hourly wage or an age and now it won't work. It's giving me an error about typing. It's because you're trying to assign something that gives you a string type and assign it to a float variable. Same thing around, you can't use the next float variable and assign that to a string type variable. Thanks for watching. Hope this was helpful.